Today we're looking at the Insta360 Go 3, and let me tell you, this tiny powerhouse takes on-the-go capturing to a whole new level with its next-gen features and improvements over the previous version. First, let's talk about the size. The Go 3 comes in smaller than your thumb and weighs only 1.2 ounces, making it super portable and lightweight. But it is a little bigger and heavier than the previous Go 2, so keep that in mind if you plan to use it with micro drones, and you'll also need to print all new mounts for the camera size. The Go 3 retains a magnetic body that allows you to use the camera with an array of magnetic accessories included. Those are great for creative shots and vlogging, but for drone use, you'll want to use a flexible 3D printed mount. A new feature of the Go 3 is the Action Pod. The Action Pod is a multifunctional hub that serves as a remote for the camera as well as a charger. It has a 2.2-inch flip touchscreen that you can use to remotely control the Go 3 and preview shots even when the camera is outside of the Action Pod. I found it useful to adjust the angle of the camera while mounted on my drone and to remotely start and stop recording. The camera itself can run for up to 45 minutes, which is a great improvement over the Go 2, and it also gets extended runtime when mounted in the Action Pod up to 170 minutes. Another big upgrade is that the video resolution has been increased to 2.7K, and that provides crisp, great-looking footage that is perfect for use on small drones. The Go 3 is available with 3 storage options at 32, 64, or 128 gigabyte models, and it starts at $379.99. You can learn more from our written review online at rcgroups.com. I'll put that link below in the description. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more RC and drone content. Thanks for flying with us today. We'll see you next time.